and that may take 10, 12, 15 coats. I don't care. I mean, I don't count. I just do it till it's done. But this one's really, whoever built this thing did a jam up job. It's a little skinny right there. To me, it's a little bit thin. I wouldn't want to try to beat a black bear away with it. But it's held up to it for all these years, and I think this is an 06. So it's got enough punch to it. But if you, just as an aside, if you ever need to beef one up, right in here, that's where they always break, right in the wrist. What you can do is drill a hole, come inside here, and drill a hole straight down to where it goes down into that wrist. And you're drilling in here where it won't be seen. Now you got to get it past that bolt hole, because there's a hole right there you got to get a bolt through. So you got to go in. This is not a good idea with it wet, but you got to go in here and go down on an angle, and then you got to start your reinforcement rod past that bolt hole. But I have repaired them that broke right there, and I've also beefed them up before they broke in ones that I made 338s and big stuff, 35 wheelings and things like that that have they kick like a six-legged mule. You don't want to just leave that to chance, because sooner or later the thing's going to crack, and so that can be reinforced. You just drill a hole and then fill that hole up with epoxy and take a piece of threaded, all thread stainless, like a 1/4 inch stainless all thread. Run your piece in there about down to here. When you get out of the danger zone, you know, you're clear once you beef that thing up. Over and out. before. After. I don't have the action to put back in this thing. It's being cerakoted at a gun shop, but I am done with stock. It's been a total restoration. I stripped it, refinished it, recut the checkering. The man wanted a dull oil finish on it, so that's what it's got. It's been fun. Well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.